I'm here with tour guide Yogi, and he is from the Bali Aga, and I've spent a wonderful 2 or 3 days with him, really getting into the back streets and into the backstories of how the Bali Aga really live and what they're actually about. So Yogi, thank you. It's been an amazing experience. You've taken us around the ceremonies, and finally we've been able to cook a very traditional Bali Aga meal. So can you explain a little bit to me as I serve you about what it is differences between Bali Aga and the rest of Bali?
In Bali Aga village, we believe in Indra God, and as our God. People here is a sector of Indra. We are Hindu as well, but the way how we practicing Hindu is very different than other village. For example, like we don't celebrate Nyepi. We own Nyepi here. It's a 15 days.
So there's no silent day?
No.
You can have the radio playing, you can watch TV.
No, because we have to respect the other villages.
And so, you know, what is it being part of the ceremonies and the rituals that you have? I mean, does it start at a young age?
Yep, start from the young age. Can be from 14 years old, 13 years old. I mean, for example, like the girl before they get menstruation. And also for the boy before getting falling in love with each other.
How do you find that? How does the village keep its sustainability and its tradition when you have so many tourists around you?
So we are not ignore the modernization or something, or we're not ignore the tourists who come to visit. Actually, there is a positive and negative thing about the tourism here. For example, like the tourism who came to this visit in this village, it also can support the local people who produce, for example, like the skirt or a textile here. And also we have a handmade something from the basket. It's made from the root.
So what are your thoughts on mixing bloodlines? Because traditionally Bali Aga should be it's pure bloodline.
Purely like the male and female should be from here, right? Now people are more open-minded because sometimes like the girls, they going to the city for study or for work. Yeah, sometimes they find like their partner there. The parents should know and give them like a knowledge. If they married outside, they lose everything.
Like, so they lose their inheritance. They lose their right to be head of the village or to be, you know, part of the...
Even like the men who get a girl from outside, they cannot be a leader here in this village. But if purely Bali Aga, I mean, the man and the girl is originally from here. Yeah, one day they can become a leader.
So with the Perang Pandan, is there a prize at the end of it?
Actually, the Perang Pandan is you sacrificing your blood into the ground as Ibu Pertiwi.
Okay.
Yeah, it's when we're talking about sacrifice, it means no winner and no loser. So we're happy to do that.
You're happy to do it. So basically, every blood that's drawn that goes into the ground is like a sacrifice.
Sacrifice.
So what is the meaning of having the pandan fighting? I mean, what is the purpose?
So actually this is the dance. That's why we call it tari mekare-kare. It means dance. You know the difference between now and like or 50 years ago, before they fight, the two of them are have to dance first. The dance represents to Indra God as god of the war.
So when you did it 50 to 100 years ago, there was more of a dance ceremony towards it.
Yeah.
And now it's just let's get it on and have some fun.
Yeah, you're right.
So can you explain a little bit about what they do, what they're pouring into each other before the fight? So everyone has pandan leaves. Yeah. Sorry, it has banana leaves, and you're pouring tuak, is it?
Tuak, yeah.
Okay, so why is that?
Tuak to complete the ceremony. I think here in this village, everything is tuak. I mean for ceremony or something like that. It's because tuak. I believe that because tuak is the favorite drink of Indragan.
Right.
Yeah.
And so that's why everyone drinks tuak here and everyone makes tuak.
Yeah.
Right. So that's your excuse to your wife.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you're drunk. Oh, sorry. It's the god of Indra. It's not my fault. It's what we have to do. And so what is the significance of the swings?
In here, the swing is the symbol of life, the symbol of balance of life. Sometimes you are in the top, sometimes you are in the bottom.
So basically, it's the young girls after they do their ceremony up at the top, and with the young coconut, etc., and they come down here. Basically, it's just a symbol of ups and downs in life.
Yes, also. And for that swing after the purification ceremony, so when they go down and then the girls swing, it's kind of like a, you know, because like a long time ago, only the swing can entertain you. No smartphone or something like that. Long time ago. So now, let's neutralize our body.
Beautiful. Purification.
With tuak. Yeah?
Okay. And again, you have one glass because it's about sharing, yeah?
Yeah,
Which is the
yes.
same in the pandan fighting.
Yes, what's one shot is 1%. You first, and you have to finish it. And after you, it's me.
Fantastic. And it has a wonderful sort of, it's more like a fermentation, similar to kombucha, similar to tape, which is like a Indonesian fermented rice as well, or brem as well, which is another black rice fermentation. So how many of those is going to get you me staying at your house and not being able to drive home?
Maybe in this size.
Yeah.
With two
Two people,
yeah,
it's
two
enough.
people, it's good.
Amazing. Yogi, listen, thank you for an amazing time. I've really got to see a different side of Bali after being here for 20 years. And it's so great to see that the Bali Aga are actually holding the tradition of Bali across the island.
Yeah.
So thank you. It's been a pleasure.
You're very well.